Hey, what's up? Welcome back to Brandon ThatBlindGuy, and today I will be demonstrating to you guys how to use place markers with JAWS in Word documents such as WordPad, Microsoft Word, whatever you may need to select text quickly and easily using place markers. So, I am using JAWS 2022, so this should work with any JAWS version that you may currently be using or running. So, first, let's open me a WordPad document.
Full speech.
All right, we're here in my speech. Well, in my WordPad document, of course, speech, right?
Escape. Leave it.
So it was so simple. I said, I really like this now because you can actually select from the beginning of a paragraph to the ending of a paragraph easily. So let's go over how we do this. So first, I am going to press Control Home to go to the top of the document or page.
Top of file.
Now, what you want to do is use a JAWS keyboard command for place markers here. So you want to press and hold Control and the Windows key and press the letter K to mark your cursor.
Location saved period.
JAWS will say location saved. Now, let's move to the end of the paragraph using Control End.
Bottom of file. Blank.
I'm going to move the cursor
Blank. Exclaim. Blank.
right after the exclamation mark. Now you want to use a JAWS layered keyboard command. So in this case, you could use insert, caps lock, or the number 0 on your number pad. Make sure you have that num lock off. Now, press your JAWS modifier key and the spacebar
Space.
and press the letter M as in Michael and listen to JAWS.
Selected. Hello, comma. Welcome to Brandon That Blind Guy exclaim. I apostrophe am demonstrating how to use place markers with JAWS to select body of text quickly period. Thank you for watching, comma. Leave a like, comma. Subscribe, comma. And share with everyone exclaim.
Now, let's rerun this really quick. So, what I did, so basically, I did Control Home, but this time I'm going to slow the speech.
Slower.
Now, press Control Home again.
Top of
So I'm at the top of the page where my first word in the paragraph is. I'm going to press my right arrow.
E. H. Hotel.
I'm now going to set the place marker here. So remember, Control, Windows, hold it down. Press the letter K as in kilo.
Location saved period.
It says location saved. Now move to the end of the paragraph. I'm going to do Control End since this is the only paragraph we have here.
Bottom of file. Blank. Exclaim. Blank.
I moved my right arrow after the exclamation mark. And now I'm going to do that JAWS keyboard layer command. JAWS key plus spacebar.
Space.
And the letter M as in Michael.
Selected. Hello, comma. Welcome to Brandon That Blind Guy exclaim. I apostrophe am demonstrating how to use
Now, so y'all guys won't be irritated by that. That is how you quickly use a place marker inside of a Word document, WordPad, or wherever you may need to use this feature to select text. Thank you. Like always, subscribe, like, comment, and share with your friends. I am out.